back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do our official apartment tour transformation thing, whatever it's called. I'm not going to show you the outside because I don't want anybody to like know where we live, you know, but I'll show you the inside. Okay, so you walk in the door. This is what you see. We have Minnie's cage there just because there's really no room for it. But you come in, we have this cute home sign here. This is for all of our keys and stuff. Zane's at work, so his keys and stuff aren't on there. Ugh. Anyways, and then we got this cute little frame as like a housewarming gift. So we just went ahead and put a picture there. Then you walk in and we have the shutters on the wall with that little picture frame thing. I want to get pictures to hang on the shutters. I just haven't bought the clips to do that yet, but yeah, so I want to have pictures hanging like right there on them. This is our couch, well, one of our couches. Then we have Minnie's corner. That bag is full of her toys, her bed, everything, even though she likes the couch. We already have like a scuff on the wall right here from the couch because they recline. If the couch isn't like far enough from the wall, then it gets all messed up. But so yeah, that's our couch. There's a window there. We put the gather sign right there. Sorry, she's squeaking a toy. And then we have our little TV set. So we have, you can like see me in the reflection. We have our TV, we have a little frame that says love with the pictures of Minnie, picture of us. Those were also a housewarming gift. That was a housewarming gift too. Love is a four-legged word. I think that is just like fits us perfectly. Then we have a couple pictures down here, a memory box that my mom actually got Zay and I each one for Christmas. So that one basically has all of our stuff from when we went to Miami. A picture of us from Christmas, me and my cousin. Then we have another memory box. This is from pretty much when we went to California. There are prom tickets in there and a random picture of Zane, but for the most part, that's California. That was homecoming our junior year, maybe. I don't know, to be honest with you. And then my grandparents. This TV stand is from Wayfair. I'll link it down below because I think it's like so cute. And then also you can move these and like you have like storage there, and then you can move it so they're like closed in the middle, you know. But we don't have anything on this side. On this side, I guess Zane has some of his games there. We have Catan, we have cards, and we have American Sniper. So yeah, we kind of have to fill that up. So I'm just gonna put it back because we keep it like that. But I do really like that there is the option to do that. Because to be honest, like, I just got an idea. We could like put like decor for the holidays on the sides. So when it's like the holidays, you could like shut it. I don't know though, to be honest, like it would be cool if you could have all of it open, but I mean, I get it, whatever. That's the whole point of it. For storage, and you don't always want everything you're stored to be out in the open. So then, oh, that's the kitchen. This home is, if you didn't see my last video, I spray painted those letters. We actually have a green wreath that we were gonna put right there, but I'm actually really proud of myself because I made this wreath. So yeah, I made it for fall. There's cute little pumpkins on there, sunflowers. This bow I actually just got from the Christmas section because I was going to make my own bow, but I decided not to. So then that's the whole living room. Then we have the kitchen, which is like honestly one of my favorite parts because I think it's just so cute. So you have our little counter with the bar stools. We have this. This is just our junk drawer. Yeah. Then we have this cabinet, which right now is just like our medicine cabinet, basically. We do have tissues there. I think we're going to move those tissues and actually put a toaster oven there because we don't really want to use our actual oven like during peak times. And that's obviously when you make dinner, like our peak times are from 3 to 8. And I get home around 5:30, 5:45 usually, and we make dinner then. So we don't really want to use the oven. Anyways, little snippet. This is Minnie's spot. I need to wash her food bowl, but that's her water bowl. It's actually like really cute. That little mat says eat and drink. This is her food bowl. This is her water bowl. These are actually really nice bowls. I got them from PetSmart when we first got her. So this is gonna be the kitchen. So we've got sugar there, flour there, some utensils. Our oven is so dirty because it's like I think it's glass or something like that. Glass, so it gets dirty and we can't figure out how to get it off. This was a housewarming gift, super cute. So were those salt and pepper shakers, which match perfectly. Also, all those towels where my mom got us that middle one and some matching, what are those things that you put pots on, like hot pads or something like that? She got us matching ones of those, and then my aunt actually got us those towels, and she did get us more towels in here, which I'll show you in a minute. We have some more cooking utensils. We have a spice rack, a butter dish, a knife thing. Most of our knives are actually, you can put them in the dishwasher, I believe, and they're not dishwasher safe, so great. Also, if you see this giant stain right here, Zane made breakfast and left a stain, so it's actually lightening up, so I think it's like starting to like reabsorb or something. I don't know. Anyways, we have this Keurig. Zane's mom got us that. A blender for my grandma, and this cute little sign right there. We have a toaster. Zane's mom actually got us that. This is a sink and everything, so paper towels, soap, obviously the sink. This thing I've been keeping in the sink because I kept it right here, and the soap like leaked out and actually like stained it. Now the stain isn't really there anymore, so that's why I'm hoping that stain right there eventually like comes up. And then I have my diffuser here, most of my oils but not all of them there. We have a cute little window here, and then if you didn't see, we do have that thankful and blessed sign up there, which I'll show you guys. I think it looks perfect up there. Then we have these little things. They're supposed to be like storage containers, but we're just using them as decoration. We have that above our fridge, and we do have that plant from my grandma. Our fridge, grocery list and everything. I'm not really gonna like show you guys in the fridge because that's kind of weird, I feel like. I don't know. But then we have a few cabinets here. In here is just where we have all of our dish towels. So there's some more that my aunt got us. I think my mom got us dish towels too. There's another one of the Gather. This I use for cleaning, basically. It's a Young Living towel. I actually use mostly Young Living products in my house because they're non-toxic. There's a bug. Do you see that fly? Oh my god. We let Minnie out and we keep the door open, and like flies come in all the time, and I freaking hate flies because they're so dirty. Anyways, I do use mostly Young Living products, so you'll see like my soap, my dish soap. This has Dawn in it, and I believe this does too. We don't use that at all. We do use this sometimes. And then that sponge. This is under our sink. We have garbage bags, we have gloves, we have a mason jar, Tupperware, just plastic bags. This dishwasher stuff is actually really good. It is, what is it called? Has like no toxins or whatever. So I have refills of my Thieves stuff. So this is a Thieves hand soap. This is fruit and veggie soak, and that is household cleaner. This is actually my cleaning bottle I put. I think it's like 1 or 2 cupfuls of that in here with water, and it literally, like, it lasts forever. I'm not even kidding you. We do have some of this that came with the apartment that's supposed to clean the stove, but we don't have a razor blade to like scrape it off. We have some stainless steel wipes, which I haven't used yet, spray paint, vases. I've just been using my thieves cleaner, and honestly, like, I haven't like really wiped it down, but it doesn't leave those like marks. Like, you don't have to. I feel like I can use thieves cleaner on this stuff, on all the stainless steel appliances, and it doesn't leave any weird marks or anything. Under this cabinet, we just have cups. I have Ningxia Red, which I get from Young Living. It's an awesome supplement that I take daily. Then we have our dishwasher. You have another drawer and cabinet. Oh my god. The oven and everything. Then we have this cabinet, which, what is she doing? Let's go see what she's doing, because she's making weird noises. What are you doing? Huh? There's a doggy barking, huh? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh boy. Anyways, so we have this, we have glasses. Usually this is full, but we do have stuff in the dishwasher that we still need to run. I have my hot chocolate for the Keurig. We have bowls. We usually have way more plates, but again, they're in the dishwasher, and then there's mugs up there. Then we have this cabinet, which is basically just food. So bananas, I put that in my shake, noodles, all that kind of stuff. Totally wasted money on that loaf of bread because we haven't even opened it. In here we have oil, peanut butter. We have some mason jars, cups that Zane's mom got us. They're super duper cute. We have more hamburger helper, just spices up there. We do have 2 cabinets up here, which there's not really much in. Oh, okay, Zane put a pan there. Cool. What was he thinking, honestly? Oh my god, man. Anyways, we have little cups. We have the small plates up there because we never use them, so there's no point. Then we have this cabinet, which is kind of like our junk food cabinet, basically. So chips, more chips, more chips. I went ham because at Fry's they had 10 for $10 for the spices. What is she whining about? Whatever. So yeah, that's our kitchen. We have a trash can here. It's super nice because it has the indents for bar stools on either side, since there's no room for a kitchen table. But I'll kind of show you guys the living room view from here. There's outside. I'm not really going to show you guys that because there's no need to. Then you come over here. And then like this is the front door, and then you turn over here. So then this is just a closet that we just have. We have water up there. We have our bathroom stuff there. We have one of Minnie's toys we're hiding from her. Tools, which I actually have to bring back to my dad. Towels, one of my purses, my makeup thing. I put my slippers there. We have Minnie's dog food, and this is actually the wreath that we put in the home sign. Then we have the bathroom. So pretty small, just normal stuff. Hey, this shirt is from Rosie Day's Boutique. The back is, I don't know if you can see it, but it is so cute. I love it. Fun fact, I accidentally ordered a small, not large, so it's not like an oversized shirt, but whatever. So then we have this right here. We kind of shoved everything in there. So that's our medicine cabinet. We do have, what is it called? And toilet, trash, shower. My swimsuit's hanging. Whoops. And then straight across from the bathroom. Oh, also the bathroom has like 3 light switches. This one turns on. Oh, just kidding. This one turns on. There's a light up there, which it's really nice in the mornings because if you don't want it super bright, then I just turn that one on. This is our laundry area. It's really messy right now because I'm in the process of doing laundry. I don't dry my pants, so I lay them out. We put dirty stuff there. I just mopped. Look at how dirty that is. It's disgusting. I need to wash that. All this stuff I actually use to make my own homemade laundry soap, which is right there. Zane's mom gave us that thing, which I'm very grateful for. Toilet paper, paper towels. My aunt gave us this box that had all these goodies in it, so there's more paper towels in there right now. Washer, dryer. We have a little step ladder, which I think we're gonna give back to my parents because it's not ours, so I don't know why we would keep it. We have my steamer and my vacuum there. And basically like a little hallway area or whatever. This is our little, Zane made me this for Christmas one year. And then this is the bedroom. I tried to make the bed, but little Minnie Mouse is not having it. But anyways, so this is probably our least decorated room, and it kind of is messy. There's Zane's computer stuff, his shirts there, whatever. There's a window here, obviously. There's a dresser. This is like my side of everything. I do have, since I didn't bring my vanity because we didn't have room, I just put all my makeup stuff in here. My iPad is there, just, I don't know. I never use my iPad. Then I basically have everything like in these drawers. I'm not really like gonna go into depth, but yeah. I think I'm gonna change those handles. This bedroom set and everything is for my grandma. So this is a bed. This is Zane's little side table thing. I don't even know. I don't mess with it. This is Zane's side of the closet. He wanted to put the dresser in the closet, so I said, whatever. That is your side. And as long as it doesn't affect me, I don't care. Then this is my side of the closet. I put all my shoes down here. This is all like normal people clothes. And then on this side of the closet, I have all of my work clothes. I work at a bank, so I have to wear somewhat nice clothes. And I can never get closet door shut. Okay,